This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Terry Osborne. This beautiful pool home offers a perfect blend of comfort and convenience, featuring 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage with an additional workshop. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed layout with both a family room and a living room, along with a dining area, all showcasing durable tile and laminate flooring throughout. A large inside laundry room with a sink and cabinets adds practicality and extra storage space. The backyard is fully fenced, providing privacy and includes a large storage shed for additional storage needs. The pool area is an entertainer's dream, boasting a freshly resurfaced pool with new tiles, pop-ups for easy maintenance, a pool heater, pump, and light. A generous sunning area, covered lanai, and newly finished pool deck complete this relaxing outdoor retreat. Additional upgrades include a brand new HVAC system, a roof that is only 3 years old, and new kitchen appliances, including a refrigerator and oven/range. Vaulted ceilings add a sense of openness and charm to the home. Located in a prime area close to shopping, dining, and with easy access to the Suncoast Parkway, this home perfectly